welcome back to our channel.
Today we'll be making ripe banana fritters.
The bananas that are ideal are the bananas that are very, very ripe. Here we're crushing 3 bananas into a bowl. We're adding 1 whisked egg into the bowl, but this ingredient is optional. Add spices of your choice, such as vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, we're not adding mixed spice and almond extract, but you can do so. Add a pinch of salt.
Here we're adding about a cup of milk. It can be any milk you like. We're adding a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Next we will mix the ingredients.
Now we're adding in some flour. We're using self-raising flour as we like our banana fritters fluffy. The ingredients will be in the description box. Scrape off any flour that sticks to the side of the bowl.
This is the consistency that we're looking for.
Altogether we've added 2 cups of flour. Now it's time to fry our banana fritters.
Now we're heating up the pot, and then we're going to put in some oil.
Just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pot.
Heat up the oil.
We're going to put our mixture in and fry it. Them carefully, don't let them burn. Continue to fry until you have finished the butter. This is the end product of our ripe banana fritters. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.